The rules of literature are like the walls of a house. They provide structure, safety. But sometimes, to truly understand the world, you have to knock those walls down. This is the territory of experimental writing, where the classic beginning, middle, end plot is seen as too simple for our complex lives. This isn't about being weird for its own sake. It's about breaking rules with purpose. Take genre bending. Think of it as a literary mashup, like a neo-Western mixing dusty cowboy tropes with modern themes. This creates a friction that keeps you off balance, often using the accessible fun of one genre to explore the serious ideas of another. Then there's metafiction, stories that know they are stories. This is where a narrator might break the fourth wall and talk directly to you, confessing something like, "If you're looking for a happy ending, you have chosen the wrong book. I haven't decided how this concludes yet." It shatters the illusion of reality to make you question the nature of truth itself. And what about time? An experimental story might be treated like a dropped mirror. The scenes are the shards, and they don't have to be in order. A narrative told in reverse shifts the central question from "what happens next" to "why did this happen?" It forces you, the reader, to become a detective, actively piecing the truth together from the fragments. From timelines that run backwards to novels told entirely through text message threads, these techniques capture the authentic messiness of human experience, the way our memories are fragmented, the way our lives are constantly influenced by other stories we've heard. Experimental writing proves that sometimes carefully planned chaos can feel more true than a perfectly straight line ever could.